I said, listen to the engine, everyone. The sun's out, everyone.
The sun is out, the sky is blue, we're out in Dotty, woohoo!
It's starting to rain now. So yeah, the sun is out, so don't need a better excuse than that to get Dotty out, do we?
Nope.
Roof's back. We can pretend we're warm.
Yeah.
But we're out.
Ooh, watch the potholes.
I know, there's lots of potholes. But yeah, Dotty's out. Dotty's running very well, so we thought, you know, film it.
Yes.
You're at yet another different camera angle, so hopefully you're not chopping the top of my head off. If it is chopping the top of my head off, I've got a cap on to protect my cap, as I always say. Of course, when the roof's back, got nothing to protect my head, have I? As there is a distinct lack of hair. However, ooh la la. Fran's looking, wouldn't you agree, quite French today?
Any excuse to get out of the bed, right?
Yeah, exactly. So in a minute, I'm going to ask Fran if she doesn't mind to start speaking to you only in French.
Bonjour, monsieur, madame. That's about the size of what I can do.
I'll tell you what, everyone. Our 2CV is speaking in French. Listen to that.
Oh, that's French, what's it?
So it's good, isn't it? Let's just listen to Dotty a minute. Well, I do hope this camera angle's alright. It is what it is now. We're committed, or I need committing, one or the other.
Yeah, definitely.
Listen to the 2CV engine, everyone. Yeah, I don't think you need to do that to hear it there.
No, definitely not.
I said, listen to the engine, everyone. The Tesla behind is struggling to keep up. You might not be able to hear us at all because the microphone might be struggling with all the wind that's coming into the car, in which case, yet again, it's going to look like you're watching a Japanese dub film, isn't it? Are we alright? Are you warm enough? See, Fran was wise enough to wear a lovely, but a little jacket, whereas of course my arms are out, so I'll leave it to your imagination as to how warm or cold my arms feel.
Well, the buff isn't on, so it can't be that cold.
No, that's true. Dotty hasn't got a muff on because the temperature is just about right for her not to need the muff on, and if you don't know what the muff is, as far as 2CVs go, it's an air-cooled engine, and if it's below 10 degrees, that air-cooled engine would prefer you to put a muff on, which effectively is a piece of plastic that covers the radiator grill, or should I say the grill, as there's no radiator. It covers the grill. Helps keep her warm in the cold weather, I guess, to make it run better. But today, a little bit borderline, but yeah, temperature's just about right for no muff. And I'm not going to say the word muff again, in case YouTube demonetises me, so that's all I'm going to say about that one. The muff is nice and warm now, in the boot. Doesn't it sound lovely?
It is, it's lovely.
So the sun is going in, and to be fair, I don't think for a minute that's related to Fran singing earlier, but
No.
it's still worth being out in the 2CV. I think the green and white dolly looks absolutely lovely when it's clean. Got a nice shine to it, so well worth a go.
Oh, the cyclists.
Yeah, when they're going a different
There's a
way,
rally
so
on.
that's different. They're going a different way.
They are.
So of course, as I probably said on many other videos, everyone, what we do with cars that aren't used over winter is we keep the batteries topped up with a trickle charger or a smart charger, whatever you want to call it, and maybe every month or so, it's not sort of rigid, set in stone, but every month or so I'll start them up and get them up to temperature. So then really it's just the fact that you're not moving the vehicle, and therefore obviously, okay, the tyres shouldn't be left in one place, and of course the brakes need a little bit of bedding back in. Fran's a younger model, but old folk with their old cars, they go out, don't they, when the sun comes out?
Yes, definitely.
Let's have a bit of third gear again. Wow, that's lovely and warm. I'd say my teeth are chattering, but I haven't got enough teeth to chatter. 60 mile an hour with the roof down, wow. Oh. Wow. Just enjoy the countryside. You not lost it, lost it. Can you grab it? Definitely not lost it.
No, it's here. Ooh la la.
Don't lose it.
I'm not losing it. I lost it years ago.
Ah.
Actually, I'll just leave it. I'll leave it with go again. There we go.
We'll put it back on when we go into town.
Yeah.
Just going to fill the car up.
Yep.
This really was just an excuse to get the car out, as we say. First drive of the year. Give Dotty a good run. Put some fresh fuel in, posh fuel, as I say.
Oh, definitely.
And just check all is well. I would suggest all is well. The only reason I'm going to speed I am is because there's cars in front.
Yeah, push the speed up a bit. 30 miles an hour. 40.
Yeah, but the cars in front ain't going particularly quick,
No,
are they? So
exactly.
we'll tootle along then.
Yeah.
If you're not familiar with A-Series Citroens, you might wonder why we sound like we're revving the heart out of Dotty, but actually because it's air cooled, it's exactly what they need to be driven like. They don't want to be bogged down, so it's better to keep the revs up, particularly if you're doing anything like climbing uphill and stuff. So it might sound like we're killing the car, but actually they're designed to be revved like that, so it's all good, it's all fine. Good quality oil in the car. Trying to get past the cyclist now.
Yes.
And I've said before on video, everyone, why is it that I only seem to approach cyclists on either a hill or a corner?
And this is a
a hill and a corner, yeah, so it just makes it so much more difficult because of course you're not going to try and go past, or I'm certainly not going to try and go past until I can see enough ahead. So yeah, really it was just an excuse to get another video on the channel and have Fran looking as beautiful as ever. Oh, it is cold though. I don't know if I've said that already. Right, uphill, national speed limit, here we go.
Woohoo!
Foot to the floor. Go on, girl. Fine. Dotty is nice and warm, unlike the driver. And it's not like that, you know, you can get heat to come through, and there is a bit of heat to come through, but of course there's no fan, so you're relying on the bit of heat come through being pushed in by the air basically, so there is a little bit of warmth coming in. Stick with us for a minute everyone. The wind will back off in a minute because we'll be dropping into Fran's hometown of Tamworth, Staffordshire. I stole Fran from Staffordshire, so she's a Derbyshire person now, so. I love Derbyshire. It's quite funny actually, I do a lot of walks in Derbyshire, and just occasionally when you say hello to someone you do get the classic, "Hey up Doug, how's it going?" I love that. The locals always have their own sayings, don't they? Anyway, we're dropping into Tamworth now. Oh, I'd like to say with the lower speed that I'm warming up, but actually, for some reason,
it's a little less breezy.
I don't know. No, but it's still a bit fresh. See, that's the joy of a small engine car, isn't it, everyone? You can sound like you're going fast even on a 30-mile-an-hour road. It's not all about power, is it? What do you reckon? I think it's that time in the video. Shall I let Fran do the all the announcements that we do at the end? I'll let Fran do it.
No!
Yeah.
No!
Over to you, my dear.
I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Check out the link that's over his head somewhere, and join us for the next one.
Enjoy whatever it is you're driving. You almost got it.
I almost got it.
Nah,
I can't remember. I went brain dead then.
Enjoy whatever it is you're driving, everyone, and thanks for following us along. See you on the next one.